Dr. Edelberto L. Openaria, CESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent of the Division of Exams Oriental, duly represented by Dr. Rodora L. Galiares, Education Program Supervisor, School Governance and Operation Division. I have the honor to present and certify to you the junior high school completers of Baliwagan National High School for school year 2020-2024-2025. Of whom 195 are male, 200 are female, including 2 male and 3 female open high school learners. For a total of 395 grade 10 learners who have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum, junior high school level of the Department of Education, I therefore request you to confirm their completion.
By virtue of authority vested upon me by the Schools Division Superintendent of the Department of Education, Division of Misamis Oriental, Dr. Edelberto L. Openaria, CESO 5, and upon the presentation and certification of your school principal to Madam Florencia de los Reyes Baang, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements in the basic education curriculum of K-12 under the junior high school. I now confirm you as completer of Baliwagan National High School for school year 2024-2025. Congratulations and God bless everyone. Very good.